Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate to Redis on VPS using TLS and passwords, full guide step by step clearly. To authenticate to Redis on a VPS using TLS and passwords, start by ensuring you have Redis installed on your virtual private server. Access your VPS using SSH. Update your package manager to ensure you have the latest repositories. Install the Redis server if it is not already installed. After installation, locate the Redis configuration file, usually found in /etc/redis/redis.conf. Open the configuration file using a text editor of your choice, such as Nano or Vim. Find the line that specifies the supervised mode, and set it to systemd if your system uses systemd. Next, locate the section for passwords by searching for require pass. Uncomment this line if commented and set a strong password for your Redis instance. Save the changes and exit your text editor. Now, you will enable TLS for secure connections. Look for the TLS settings section in the Redis configuration file. Set the TLS port to the desired port number, typically 6379 for standard Redis connections. You need to generate or obtain a valid SSL certificate for your Redis server. Place your SSL certificate and key in a secure directory on your server, preferably in /etc/ssl/certs/etc/ssl/private. Update the Redis configuration file to point to your SSL certificate and key files. Make sure to set the appropriate permissions for the key file to restrict access. In the configuration file, set TLS authenticate to required for enforcing authentication. Find the TLS cluster setting and set it to no if you are running a standalone Redis instance. Once all configurations are in place, save the changes. Restart the Redis server to apply the new configurations. Use the command system to restart Redis or the equivalent command for your init system. Next, you will test the TLS connection. Install a Redis client that supports TLS on your local machine or another environment. Attempt to connect to your Redis server using the TLS option in your Redis client. When prompted, enter the password you specified earlier. Verify that you can connect successfully and perform basic commands like ping. If everything is functioning correctly, your Redis is now authenticated and secured using TLS and a password. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.